Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and it's time to draw the winner for the stickers that I showed in my last video. Now, I wasn't sure who all wanted to be included in the drawing, so I just put everyone's name that made a comment. So after the drawing, if I choose your name and you're not interested in these stickers, please let me know as soon as possible and we can choose another winner. So let's spin the wheel. And the winner is Fun Paper Art. Congratulations, Fun Paper Art. Send me an email with your mailing address information if you do want the stickers. If not, let me know ASAP. I'd like to get these out into the mail to you in the morning. So once again, thank you all for watching the video. And Fun Paper Art, congratulations.